Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, I forgot I'm supposed to look at here. Okay, so I'm standing right now, and as you can just assume with the camera angle, and that's what I have done to my wall. And you can see the small hearts I have done, and I can switch. So let me just show you the hearts. Wait, how do you pause it? So you can see the small hearts I've done. Like, whoa. I was thinking if I should add some lightings over it. And again, the painting, if you have watched sure, wait, I'll show you the painting too. And this is the painting. Not really. Okay, so not really great. I have done not something really great, but anyways. So yes, welcome back to my channel where you're gonna learn that you are chosen, you are admired, and you are loved. Okay, so this is my first video of 2026, and I know बहुत बड़ा gap है in my last video and today's video. Today, when I'm shooting this clip, it's 6th of Jan 2026, and probably पता नहीं कितने बजे, and you can hear थोड़ा background noise. I don't know. Anyway, now I feel headache. Anyway, so abhi currently I'm having my fifth semester's exams. Okay, so since this channel is for me as my digital diary and for the viewers who can find the glimpse and the proof that you are loved, you are chosen, and you are admired every single point, even though you feel you are good, not really good enough in this or whatever reasons. Okay. Anyway, so I'm just thinking like, okay, what are friends gonna say? Because I don't know what exactly. See, today I don't have any that title as to what exactly I should talk about in this video. It just like it's just like an update. It's just like an update. Okay, yeah. It's just like an update. This is the third time saying it. Anyways, so I'm having my fifth semester exam, and starting from mid of Feb, I think I'll be having my sixth sem. बिकॉज दो मेरे प्रैक्टिकल्स भी है, तो अगर 30 को मेरा लास्ट थ्योरी पेपर है तो इट माइट गेट मोर एक्सटेंड थोड़ा फेब तक के. एंड इफ यू नो मी, you know Feb is the month of love. It's the month of love, and Feb is my favorite month because guess it's my birthday month, and oh, the best month. Anyway, I'm getting goosebumps because बहुत ठंडी है. I cannot go धूप में since I have to shoot this video, and but life has been good lately, and अच्छा चल रहा है. The new year seems really nice, and I just made my list. So what I made a list in which I have written down the things I want to do this year, not the resolutions, but things I want to improve in myself, or I want to add in my personality or my schedule, or like actual what I want to work on things. So yeah, and again I have highlighted my hair. Like, if you have seen my previous videos, so I have highlights from here, but अभी मैंने तो जो लेंस है वो करे है, and this is not black, this is burgundy. Yeah, that doesn't sound good. Anyway, so it is actually purple, if you can see, a bit greasy. ठीक है, छोड़ो. And in the mids it's golden blonde, so it's a surprise. ठीक है, थोड़े समय बाद, at least by the time my birthday hits, but I have to do a new hair color. So anyway, what else, not really say interesting or intriguing something, but okay, so why not elaborate the topic, which I shared in the reel yesterday and today in YouTube. So basically, I love painting, and I just showed the painting. It's not that great, I know, but in real, it looks good. Okay, and I have said it in the reel, in the short, that it might be simple for others, but it is the best thing for me, like a baby to me. So when I was doing this painting, it was something, just out of my heart. And उस पेंटिंग के थ्रू आई गॉट टू रियलाइज कि मतलब how the God sees us, because भाई we are his best creation. And let me yawn. We are his best creation, and it's just amazing to see कि अगर कोई इंसान, like for instance, uh, the people who use the, what do you call it, mitti se they makes the um, equipments, and vase and cups and वगैरह basically, yeah. तो if they वो भी अपने हाथों से बनाते हैं, उनके लिए हर एक every thing whatever they have made is important, and it's the best and beautiful. तो वैसे ही मतलब मैंने पेंटिंग बनाया, उसमें आई फाउंड ए स्पॉट, ब्लैक स्पॉट, एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो, दिस इज समथिंग आई हैवंट मेड एंड नॉट समथिंग आई वाज प्लानिंग टू डू इन एनी कॉर्नर ऑफ द पेंटिंग. स्टिल आई लव इट द सेम एज लाइक जब मैंने वो स्पॉट नोटिस नहीं किया था तब. तो दैट्स हाउ गॉड सीज अस. मतलब even though we think ki bro, I have this fault, I am not good at this, I'm not good, I am not pretty, I'm not smart, and वगैरह वगैरह thing. But that's not what God sees us. That's not how God sees us, because he knows what he has made. And of course, हम सिर्फ हमारे आईज से जितना विजन विजिबल है आई साइड से उतना ही देखते हैं. ही नोज द ब्रॉड पिक्चर. हमें तो एक वन व्यू वाला ही दिखता है कि एक व्यू से ही देख सकते हैं, माने ये चीज़ ये आगे पीछे क्या हो रहा है. सो ही नोज व्हाट ही हैज़ मेड. तो so never think of yourself that you are not good enough, because you are worth much more than many sparrows. There's this Bible verse which says ki you are valuable more than those 5 sparrows which were sold for like 5 or 6 pennies or something like that. So it's not about sparrows, or it's not about कि वो कितने सस्ते में बिक गए. It was something कि तुम बहुत ज़्यादा valuable हो. Every soul, everyone in this world is important, and equally loved. Of course, equally loved, bro. And let's just say कि and the really important thing, I am mentioning this in everywhere and to everyone कि there's this friend of mine who wished me saying may you fall in love with God all over again. And ऐसा नहीं कि I was not planning to be more spiritual or be more close to God, but that particular wish and that particular statement was so stuck in my head, and I was like, bro, this is something as if the God wants me to be focusing on. Like it was something as if God is saying this to me through my friend. And I was just like amazed so much ki bhai. And then I got back on my schedule of how I used to make videos explaining gospel, or the stories I like, or whatever thoughts I get, kabhi bhi random, and I want to share it with people. I want people to see how sweet the God is and how much you are loved, because in this fast forward generation we are too busy and मतलब digital बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है, and we really don't take time to appreciate the simple things. And like I have this 2 poems in my supplementary English, and I wrote about them in my question paper, you won't believe. So one is Solitude, And so solitude is nothing related to being alone and the loneliness and that emo phase, but it is something enjoying the calmness of the silence and being yourself, just being yourself as in you're alone and you are enjoying your company. Because when you are sitting alone and you just let your thoughts flow and you are understanding yourself, you get self-aware about what exactly your thoughts are and how you perceive it. And then maybe you can also have that interconversation with inside your head. And the second is the eve to the evening, or eve on evening, something, or to evening, I don't know, but it's something about evening. How evening, evening में sunset होता है and how beautiful it is. So basically it was something telling us कि कि people are forgetting the innocence of evening, how it is so calming, soothing, and how it is just so beautiful, like the sundar, I don't know, like for everyone sundar word holds something like different intensity of meaning. Like for me, matlab, sundar is something beautiful, soft, and it just gives justice. Like if I see a beautiful picture, और वो बस मेरे हिसाब से it's giving the justice to the word सुंदर, like बस सुंदर भाई, मतलब we are getting my point. So it is how evening is, and how it is interrelated to the solitude, because most of the times you will find yourself sitting ऐसे कोई लेक के पास, और just a silent area, silent, not silent area, but something. I believe evening has that power of calming oneself, and when you're having your own time akele, just being yourself with your own um, thoughts. So anyway, and so ऐसा है. And and this year, and if this is for me, watch my future self, and whenever I'm watching this video, so, and for the viewer also, if you feel that you can do it too, so I want you to focus on yourself, Khushi, and to the person who is listening this video and who is not Khushi. So I want you to focus on yourself, and if you love someone, if you like something, tell them. If you love someone, tell them. Any kind of love, brotherly, not any brotherly, siblings, any. Just tell them you love them. You like something about them, tell them. Because dude, I know, matlab, there are a lot of things people are going through, and you don't know कि तुम्हारा कहाँ हुआ उनका दिन बदल सकता है. Like if they are having a very bad day and you just saying them कि dude, I like something about you, see, when you are like this or whatever, and just tell them, take care of it. Bro, you don't know, a small gesture can be very impactful in their bad days. So I want you to focus on yourself. Tell people you love them, you like this about them, and friends are important. And very important, to be honest. And I would say ki tell your friend every day by different gestures, or by like you are important to me. And yeah, friends. I have a lot of people, but again I would say ki focus on yourself too, because बहुत सारे चेंजेस है, बहुत सारे लोगों का भी दिमाग, people are, most of the people are confused. And I'll be turning 20. Wait, what? What? I didn't realize it कब गिरा. Anyways, so I'll be turning 20, मतलब 19 complete हो जाएगा, 20 start होगा. And I would say try to be kind, humble, and dude, you know what, आजकल के बच्चे bro, मतलब पुराने टाइम पे मतलब लाइक अगर तुमको ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हो वेव कर, दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक ऐसे, दे यूज्ड टू यू नो ट्राई टू इंटरेक्ट. ना आज के बच्चे, आई एम टेलिंग यू, कल आई वाज गोइंग आउट विद माय फादर, आई नो नॉट कल, मे बी संडे आई वाज गोइंग आउट विद माय फादर टू गेट समथिंग, एंड दो बच्चे खेल रहे थे, छोटे छोटे टॉडलर्स बच्चे खेल रहे थे, and they were having very innocent smile. मेरा ईयरिंग नहीं गया ना, हाँ, and I just smiled at them and पत्थर फेंक रहे थे वो लोग, like seriously, I was so shocked, dude, bro. Sorry. Should I keep my hair back? पता नहीं, and 12 o'clock. And I'm planning कि इस साल I'm done with my Spanish, मतलब मुझे अच्छी खासी आ जाए, बस यही कोशिश है मेरी. And my hair kind of looks greasy तो है, see if you can see they are purple. Yeah, we are distracting from the topic. I'm supposed to look here, here. See, this is the camera, ये वाले line में, yeah. Anyway, oh, anyway, so yeah, love each other, be there for, and जितना हो सके उतना, because bro दुनिया खत्म होने वाली है. Okay, let's just be kind to each other and humble. This is a very random video, so I'm just gonna I don't think so I'm gonna post this anywhere. मैं सिर्फ डायरेक्ट YouTube पे डाल दूँगी, I think, because it has nothing that important, but if you feel like watching it, you can just watch it. Yeah, nothing really ऐसा. These are some my thoughts I'm posting, and but I do believe कि we should tell people we love them, the things we like about them, and just sitting there, being there for people, even if it's for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because you don't know what your presence can do. And of course, not forgetting the Lord, the God who made us, who died for us, and you know, this is something I feel कि अभी I've seen a lot of people अभी Christmas के बाद 2025 का Christmas का, these are my thoughts, okay? These are totally my thoughts, and no offense, I'm already saying it, like people are, I don't know, मतलब मैं देख रही हूँ कि नॉट महाराष्ट्र में तो ऐसा मैंने नहीं देखा, बट छत्तीसगढ़ में भी सम प्लेसेस जहाँ पे क्रिसमस फंक्शन हो रहा है, कैरल्स हो रहा है, लोग हैं दूसरे. अब दूसरे में आई एम जस्ट सेइंग द पीपल हु आर प्रोटेस्टिंग फॉर सम रीज़न, इट्स जस्ट कि इफ़ यू नो, इफ़ वी डोंट डिस्टर्ब एनीवन. वी में आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, पहली बात, द पीपल हैव दिस थिंग कि इफ़ यू फॉलो जीसस, इफ़ यू फॉलो द क्राइस्ट, if you go to church, even if you simply go to church, you are converted now. No, it's not. Basically, Christianity is not a religion, but it's just a community of people जिसको Christian का ऐसा नाम दिया है. That's what I believe, and this is my thought, because and even the Constitution says we have the freedom to have faith on anyone. ठीक है, मतलब भाई स्वतंत्रता हो चुकी है, एंड वी हैव लाइक आवर ओन विल कि हमें किसको फॉलो करना है, किसे नहीं करना है. लाइक यू डोंट गो एंड यू नो पिक आउट द एथिस्ट, लाइक द पीपल हु डोंट बिलीव एनी गॉड, और हु जस्ट डोंट बिलीव इन एनी थिंग एक्सेप्ट साइंस. तो मतलब मैं बस ये बोल रही हूँ कि इफ़ यू नो, अपने जस्ट माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस, व्हाई ट्रबल अदर पीपल, let them believe in whatever they want to, right? They're not coming in, you know, in your house and asking you to feed them, right? You are happy in what you believe and what you have faith in, है ना? तो just enjoy लाइक मतलब ब्रो, वहीं फिर बात आ जाती है कि लैला मजनू में देयर इज द सीन वेयर द मजनू गेट्स वो जो मौलीज होते हैं, जो द पीपल हु आर जस्ट रीडिंग द कुरान एंड प्रेइंग, तो वो उनको डिस्टर्ब कर देता है। तो ही सेज कि भाई मैं अपने माशूक से बात कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे आप नहीं दिखे, बट आप भी तो अपने माशूक इज बेसिकली रेफरिंग टू द गॉड, ठीक है, वो गॉड को रेफर करा था, ठीक है, वी कैन से कि यू शुड हैव सेड माशूक बट गॉड, बट ठीक है ना, लाइक माई गॉड इज माई लव ब्रो, ब्रो। एंड वही ना कि what we believe in, we love that thing. So basically what I want to say is, if just mind your own business, be happy. Since I mean, of course you are happy in what you are doing, don't get me wrong, I'm just saying ki let's not trouble each other. There are already politics and the things in the world bothering us too much, so why we human bother each other, right? Let's just be happy with what we are doing. Let's just let other people be happy in what they want to believe, you know and we are just spreading the good news we have, ki basically the Christians, ki bro, see, this is our God, he did this for everyone, and no one is forcing anyone to change or believe their faith. It's just totally your call if you want to or not. I just hope no one picks up this video. And it's just, I'm saying, mind your own business and just be humble and kind to each other and be loving to each other. Let's just hope no one picks out this video. Anyway, मुझे ठंडी लग रही, now I'll be going. मेरे डबल चिन आ गया क्या? जॉलाइन आ गई अब. Anyway, I shouldn't be इतना दूर. So yeah, that's for today. Signing off, and I hope that you just learned something, that you will take something good out of this video, which is nothing but a usual one. This is paint, so don't think I'm just painting, which is done by this and painting. Anyway, bye.